elevator at the Rotors Memorial Museum in Altoona, Pennsylvania.
Alright, going down.
There's some map, floors and stuff. There's the fixtures. Hey, look at the Eastern elevator. How about that?
Floor might be turned off. Go to 3 instead.
Wait, 4 to 3? Oh, see what the third floor is. Oh, it's exhibits, next room and restrooms. Is that the third floor? I like the design in here. It's pretty cool.
GAL buttons. It's an Eastern elevator.
Wait, GL fixtures on here?
We would check out 2.
I like the charm in here. It's very nice.
I like this cap design.
Me too. Isn't it awesome or what? I like the metal cap view.
It's a nice cab. All right.